filming the handcuff challenge.
Bad boys, what you gonna do?
But usually couples do this. Like, we don't want to shower together.
Or like
sleep together. Okay, here's the truth, guys. We're both people who really like our personal space, and
so that's why this is a great idea.
That's what. Ow. But we're gonna try this. We're not gonna put a time limit on it because I feel like that's just gonna be too much pressure. So we're just gonna see how long we can last with these on.
I
honestly don't know how to.
Yeah. No.
Oh God.
Wait.
Faulty handcuffs. We're gonna have to go to the police station.
Wait, that though.
So to prove these are legit,
We got stuck in them.
gonna just ready? 1, 2, 3.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Wait.
Anxiety. So we're officially attached. Ow, that really hurt.
We'll walk around, then later we'll get food, and
then we're just gonna honestly see how long we last because I think I'm gonna hate this.
I already hate it. So
Let's go.
okay, let's sit down. I didn't even know I had this much money.
Okay, well Bree just spilled her entire wallet and tripped and fell with me attached to her.
Because you threw a punch. I need my quarters and my coins.
I hate you.
I used to do this in parking lots.
Collect the coins on the ground?
Yeah, maybe. Stop running! I'm wet. Okay, come. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Okay, yeah. Foot going? Yeah. Okay.
I can't see. The less shifting I have to do, the better.
4-point turn.
Okay, slowly, Jesus. Oh my God.
Here, take my hand.
Oh my God, that was so funny!
Oh, you. Oh, we made it.
But they didn't have what we wanted.
Wait, oh God, we can't go this way. Holy okay. Sue gave us the challenge.
Sue
to go
Alva,
find
go
Skittles.
check out her Instagram or her Snap.
YouTuber.
Her YouTube.
We suck at this. And of course, the first gas station we go to doesn't have that. So we're going to another gas station. Yes.
My feet don't touch the pedal. This way or straight? That one?
This way.
Put your seatbelt on. Here, I'll help you.
Vlogging
For it.
No, that's unsafe.
That's unsafe.
But this whole situation isn't.
I want donuts later.
Like right now, later?
No. I
Or,
said
like,
later. Why would that be right now?
Later in like 5 minutes or like later tonight?
Tonight at this hour. Okay,
Oh, these look so good.
where's the line? Are they in line?
Yes. Dude, those look so good.
I know, it smells so good. Oh yeah, I love that.
Yes!
Yes! The woman in there goes, why are you guys handcuffed? I don't know what to say. We just love each other. Ooh.
I have to go with you.
Love donuts.
Chicken!
We should buy lottery tickets.
Really nice. It makes my myself.
And with hers, he was like,
It's like to watch your mouth sound all over them. I don't know if
ow. Or escape convex. They're like, bye.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
I'm so close to you. I just thought we would call it quits by now. I honestly forgot that I had the keys this whole time. I have to burp. Thanks. I mean, excuse me.
Ew.
Can we not get water everywhere? like 3.5 hours.
It was really fun. Now get these off. We're never doing this again. Like, comment, subscribe.